global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Congratulations to the governor-elect, Professor Soludo. But actually, right now, he's no longer the governor-elect, but the governor of Anambra State. The inauguration went well. Obviously, he wanted it low-key, but there was still a lot of hype, a lot of APGA members. ABGA were there to greet the occasion, but not without some great level of drama. As Odimebu's wife, that state Odimebu Ojukwu, had an encounter that probably she will not forget in a hurry and in a very long time. Well, before we go into the newspaper to find out the drama that took place in the inauguration party of Ojukwu Soludo, no one knows if it's just a huge, terrible joke, or if it's a friendly one, or if it's just something born out of the heart. The moment you're going to find out exactly what it is, but before we do so, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, there was a mild drama on Thursday at the inauguration of Professor Ojukwu Soludo as the governor of Anambra State, when the wife of outgoing governor Willie Obiano Ebelechukwu allegedly slapped Mrs. Bianca Ojukwu at the event here. Well, the news agency of Nigeria, NAN, correspondent who was at the scene of the event reports that the incident occurred immediately after Soludo took his oath of office. NAN reports that dignitaries, including the ex-governor Obiano, was actually already seated when Mrs. Obiano stepped in. She first stepped in and moved to the front row where the widow of Dim Odimebu Ojukwu was seated and slapped her. The action drew attention of security agents and some personalities who pulled Mrs. Obiano off the hold of Bianca, who was visibly shocked at the action. Mrs. Obiano was later taken away, and shortly afterwards, her husband left the venue since the incident happened after the new governor had been sworn in. What is going on? This one is not an ordinary friendly slap. If it's a friendly slap, at least Mrs. Ojukwu herself shouldn't be very shocked. After all, it's a friendly slap. What could have happened that Mrs. Obiano herself, the ex-governor's wife, could not wait so that they can go off the camera, off the event? Maybe it's actually deliberate to actually embarrass Bianca. We just hope to find the juicy details later. But for the now, let us feel the pulse of Nigerians. This one, and a lot of people are saying it's going to be without drama. Obviously, the women thing has occurred. A lot of insinuations are going on. I don't know what could have happened though, but I do know one thing is certain. There is no smoke without fire. Let's feel the pulse of Nigeria. This one here says, what was her reason for the slap? My brother, it baffles me the way it baffled you. A public slap. This one is not a friendly slap. No matter the slap, don't slap me in public. At least if you want to slap someone, you pat the person at the back. Why that kind of slap? The truth is, the two of them, it is between Ojukwu's wife, Obiano, and Mrs. Obiano. Somehow, something I'm sure as time goes on, at some point, but what we hear is going to be apology. Or maybe it was a friendly slap, or they say no, they were actually doing a joke they used to joke in 19 We'll all hear it eventually. This one here is saying, this can't be true. I don't believe it. No. What kind of slap is this, my sister? Nobody's expecting the slap. Nobody expected that there will be a slap in the event. So, obviously, the correspondent of NAN that was there, that's a correspondent reporter that was there to witness and greet the occasion, was not expecting a slap. If not, I'm sure his camera would have been rolling to pick the slap. Everybody was expecting, okay, dramaless inauguration. After all, Soludo have tackled the issue of his questioning his power to be, or his authority or right to be the governor. But nobody expected women drama there at all. I don't know what it could be. But honestly, whatever it is, shouldn't have been done in public. Maybe, don't forget that Bianca, or no, Bianca Ojukwu is still the wife of the late Ojukwu, and she has not totally denied the fact that Biafra was the husband, but her late husband rather, but one of the few people who championed the cause. So the dream may probably be running in her bloodline, but she's just probably keeping it calm. And then again, she's also a strong card carrying member of ABGA, which also means that she's also into politics, or better still, she knows what she's doing. But then again, Soludo is a member of ABGA. Bianca is a member of ABGA. Obiano, Willie Obiano is a member of ABGA. The wife, invariably, also is a member of ABGA. So whatever it is, could be a party politics thing or an Igbo thing, but I still believe it could be resolved without being done in the public. That guy been not too sharp. We would have just, a bit of camaraderie would have just helped. But then again, I'm sure he's also scared of himself because there was enough security to ensure such doesn't happen. I pray whatever it is, it should be resolved, and I also pray that peace should reign. He has already, William Ben have already finished his tenure, and it's almost, it went well. Permit me to use that word, it went well. There was almost less of drama. Women drama right now is not needed, and I can imagine the embarrassment, forget the keeping of it. You can't imagine the embarrassment the husband must have gone through. Whatever it is, she must have had. Politics is a game of no permanent enemy, no permanent friend, just permanent interest. Whatever it is politics. Maybe she must have heard something that is shocking to her in the game of politics, and she took it to heart, took it personal. Even if anybody will betray me, not you, one nine, or not you, one name. Even if anybody will betray me or say any negatives about me or my husband or whatever, no, I don't know. I'm just thinking wide. What could it be? But I still believe that in the game of politics, physical assault shouldn't be permitted. Come on, whatever it is, just settle it out. And I also believe that this is sister to sister thing. Shouldn't have been done in public. Whatever it is, would have been settled, where no one will hear about this. People don't quarrel. If you know what is going on in the Southwest when it comes to the issue of politics, you would agree with me. Politics is a game of number, and it's a personal interest. It's a game. Don't take it to heart. Well, your friend today could just be your enemy tomorrow. Please don't take it to heart. For those of us who are looking forward to going into politics, I, for one, it's one game that I would like to observe from a distance. That's where we're going to wrap it up. I will keep you updated as more information comes out. According to Nan's reporter who was there live, but unfortunately could not get it on camera. But we'll keep you posted as more information come out on this. Do have a nice time.